Well, what's going on, guys? Patrick here down in Wynwood, Miami today. It's Art Basel. We're at the DJI store and I'm gonna do some testing with the OSMO Pocket today. See how it is, you know, low light at nighttime in this type of environment, at parties, and really to see what we can get out of the little tiny OSMO Pocket in these types of conditions. So let's do it, let's go. So right now we're filming with the OSMO Pocket. I got it in 4K, 30 frames per second, and I'm just pushing around on the skateboard. We're doing some walking shots as well, and give you guys an example of what the OSMO Pocket looks like at night here while shooting in 4K. All right, so hopefully this gives you guys an idea of the low light performance of the OSMO Pocket. You know, using it, walking through the crowds, it's really easy. It's not big and bulky. It's not like using a Ronin. So the actual ease of use is great. In these types of situations, it's easy to just pull out the OSMO Pocket and walk around, get shots, put it back in my pocket and not have to worry about it. And it is dependable in terms of actually, you know, turning it on quickly, getting the shot and then putting it away and going on with my day. You don't want to have camera equipment that makes it harder to experience what you're experiencing, or if you're traveling, stuff like that. And I think the OSMO does exactly that. It makes it really easy to get shots.